Anywhere we have negative exponents, that means we can move their locations. So that means I'm really looking at y to the 1 coming up as a positive exponent times y to the 1/2, and x to the negative 2 coming to the denominator as a positive 2, and there's already a 1/3 down there. So that means we can add our exponents. This is really 1 and 1/2 is 3/2, and 2 1/3, well, that's like 6/3, plus one more is 7/3. So we have y to the 3/2 over x to the 7/3. Well, if I write these as a radical, we really have the square root of y cubed, and we have the cube root of x to the 7th. Well, that really means when I have the square root of y, y, and y, and the cube root of x, 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 and another x, I can take out 2. So this will really end up as 1y outside the radical, 1 inside. And here, because this is the cube root, there's 2 pairs. I can take out x squared. What remains in the radical is our single x. So now as we look, the answer is D.